Welcome back, everyone. Today, I have a few things I want to tell you. There are some very cool stuff on its way right now. There's some new photography products that have came out. Some are like gadgets. My wife always gives me a hard time because I like gadgets, but some of it's legit. And I think we've got some really cool products coming in to review and use in the next few weeks. Some of it's on back order, some of it's yet to be released. I don't want to go into what it is yet because I want to surprise you guys, because I have a feeling some of you are going to be wanting this really bad, like I did. That's why I ordered it a month early. But anyhow, one thing I want to show you, now this is probably more along the gadget line. This is an AKASO action camera. It basically looks just like a GoPro. But the difference is I got this on an Amazon Super Special for $49. $49. Does 4K 30 frames a second. It comes with, and check out everything it comes with. I don't know what all the GoPro comes with, but I can guarantee for $50, you're not getting all this from GoPro. Of course, it comes with the camera, then a waterproof case, a remote control, battery charger that charges 2 batteries, a battery, a mount, a helmet mount, a clip mount, another clip, so 2 clips, a handlebar mount, I guess if you're riding motorcycles, which I won't be, a zip tie, a strap, USB cable, a protective back door for it, all that, and this camera that does 4K 30 frames a second for $49. I think it was a spot flash deal. I'm not real sure because it was kind of, I never even heard of this camera until I got looking the other day and it popped up and I happened to go on Amazon and see how much it was. And it was under some kind of Amazon special sale. I forget what they call it. I guess it's like if you're old like me, you remember the old Kmart blue light specials. So I guess that's kind of what I got, because I don't think it's still $49 on Amazon. I think it's back up to like $100 now. But I have a feeling from the ratings I was seeing on this, it was really getting some good ratings. So they got this box really hard to get into. Okay, so I finally got the box open. All right, and here is the camera on top. You can see that. It comes in a waterproof case. I know these waterproof cases aren't free. So, I mean, $49 I paid for this whole thing. I just can't get over that. And you might be asking yourself, what in the world does a portrait wedding photographer want with an action camera? And I'll tell you what I want to do with it is I think our channel in 2 days will be our 1-year anniversary. And we're already over 520 subscribers. I think we got the best subscribers in the world. All you guys are amazing. I love all the comments and stuff I hear from you guys. I think it's awesome. And I know I've been doing this for over 40 years, and you're probably like, some of you younger kids are like, who's this old man talking about photography? What does he know? But I want to do more gear reviews and equipment reviews and gadgets, as you want to call it, reviews on the channel, so I can let you know if I like it, and then I'll let you know if I do like it and why I like it. I would never recommend you guys buy anything that I wouldn't use or like myself. I wouldn't do that. But so if I say, hey, you need to get one of these, you might want to look at it pretty closely, because I'm pretty serious about it. And I've got one of those items on the way. It's supposed to be shipped on February 1st. So cross your fingers I can get that in really fast. I'm really excited about doing that one. That one's got me. It's been a while since I've gotten pretty excited. Now, I get excited over photography stuff, so you guys may not have the same reaction, but this one particular piece of equipment that's coming in, I'm looking pretty forward to it. I think it's very cool, and I think you guys will like it too, especially some of you pro photographers that use the product this works with. So, but anyway, we will be taking a look at that very soon, since it comes in. But yes, this AKASO action camera, what I'm going to do with it is when I'm making videos, like it's starting to get warmer outside, so I'll be shooting some models coming up. I'm going to take the Canon R6 or whichever camera I'm shooting with. I'm going to mount this on my Canon R6. So as I'm shooting pictures, you can get the same perspective that I'm getting through the camera. So that's why I bought the action camera. I don't jump out of airplanes. I don't water ski. I don't race motorcycles or anything like that. But that's the reason I got this. Now, we do take some cruises every now and then. So it'd be fun to take this, since it does do underwater. It'd be cool to take it to, the Bahamas or Cancun or something like that. And because the water's already so clear, it'd be very cool to go underwater with one of these and see what you can get. I'm not very experienced on using these things. I bought a X360, the one that does the whole 360, and it's kind of like the little world on it, Tiny World or Tiny Earth or something it's called, where it shows you on top of it. Anyway, that was just kind of a gimmicky camera, if you ask me. I guess if you're into that kind of stuff, it's cool, but I didn't have a need for it. I didn't really have a way to make money with it. And this, I think, will make you feel like you're more involved in the photo shoot than just having a camera sitting behind me showing me shooting the pictures. You'll be able to get my view, basically, almost. My lens will be right here and this will be right here. So it'll be very close to what I'm seeing through my camera. And I think it'll be easier for me to show you guys how I'm taking the pictures, how I'm posing the models, that sort of thing with this on there. So Anyway, I'm going to get to working on this. Open this box. It's completely full of stuff for it. $49 on Amazon. And again, it is the AKASO EK7000. I'll show it to you. The AKASO EK7000. It's varying in price right now. When I got it, it was $49. It had gone up a little bit since then. I'm not sure what it is now, but check it out on Amazon. The AKASO, maybe I'm not even saying that right. Maybe it's AKASO, but I'll call it AKASO EK7000 with 4K 30 frames a second. So anyway, I look forward to getting this set up and get it on the camera so I can get you guys more involved in the photo shoots that we're doing. Hopefully we can all get together and learn from each other on here, and I want to build up this community we've got of guys. I mean, it's 520 of us now, and I'm amazed at what you guys have done for our channel. It's just been, I've been mind blown by it. I just never thought it would be this big, this fast, and it wasn't really my goal to have 520 subscribers less than a year into our journey on this photography trail that we're on, but I really do appreciate it, and just know that I'll do my best to help you guys out any way I can. My email is always at the bottom. Doesn't matter if you've been shooting for 50 years or 5 days. You can email me at the bottom if you got an issue with something. I'll help you figure it out, and we'll figure it out together. I can pretty much guarantee that. But hey, if we're helping you guys out, hit that subscribe button. Y'all have a good day. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you.